Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's Sign. This is April monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, it's Sign. Okay. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Virgo? Another deck, the Devil and Five of Swords. I think there are a lot of disturbances between you and your person, and this person is toxic for you, and one person is very obsessed with the other person in this connection. I think you may be obsessed with them, but this connection may be toxic for you because the devil is very negative energy, Virgo, and maybe your person backstabbed on you, maybe cheated on you, lied to you. There is something happening between you and your person, and the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. So let's see your reading recent past. Knight of Cups, Death, Six of Swords. So there was separation between you and your person for some no contact situation. For some, if you are in relationship with your person, that is on and off connection. So you want to end the things with your person because the Scorpio with Six of Swords. So death card with Six of Swords. So you want to move on from this connection because there is some type of ending between you and your person. But I think you think it is over, but maybe they realize you both once you gone, then they're willing to come back. Knight of Cups energy, but it is slow moving energy. So someone is coming back to you. Then present Ace of Pentacles, Chariot and Judgment. So you are going to be make some major decision in the month of April because the Judgment card is here and the Chariot. So you want to move on in your life and you decided. And Ace of Pentacles, maybe they are coming back to offer this long-term commitment to you. But you are the decision maker here, Virgo. You have to make the decision because the Judgment card is here. I think now you're focusing on yourself. You are creating more money. There is financial stability is also coming. Then future, Three of Wands, the Emperor and Nine of Cups. Your wishes are going to be granted and you turn your back from your person. But you still, some of you may be waiting for your person. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. But you are focusing on yourself. You will be in this energy near future. You are very grounded and very powerful. And Nine of Cups, your wishes are going to be granted. Yeah. Wish fulfillment. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, Scorpio. Then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person, Virgo. So first we will see their feelings towards you. Virgo, your person feelings. I think they also know there is one type of ending between you and your person because the death card is here. Maybe your person right now guarded. I think they are not available to you when you need them. They are in and out of your life. Maybe because the devil card toxic energy is here, some dark energy. So Maybe you are fed up with this energy, that's why you want to move on from this person. But there is love, the Lovers card is here. Maybe for some it is a physical attraction between both of you. For some, children also involved in this connection, but they know innerly that you are their happiness. So let's see their actions, then we will get more clarity. Their actions towards you, Virgo. I don't read reverse cards, so yeah. So right now they're feeling alone, they're missing you, and Tower moment with 5 of Pentacles. Right now they're undergoing some Tower moment because you decided to move on. There was ending between you and your person. For some, Temperance, yeah, they want to restore the balance within you. Right now your person is unbalanced, so they want to restore the balance because right now they're feeling very sad, and the Tower moment. And 2 of Wands, they're thinking about you a lot. So I am not seeing any action, to be honest, because they're feeling alone, and they're undergoing some Tower moment, and they're taking their time. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they're missing you so much. Yeah, they want to offer this to you, Ace of Pentacles. And Knight of Cups is here. Definitely they're willing to come back. They will, but it will take so much time. Right now your person is in so much pain, missing you. And your person also very emotionally stable person, very strong person, because the Empress is here. They want to balance their life without you, because right now they are undergoing some Tower moment. Again the Devil card. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. Yeah, they're obsessed with you. There is obsession. Maybe you are obsessed with them, Virgo. There is obsession, and maybe you have options also. 7 of Cups. Maybe you are fantasizing about them a lot. You are also missing them, but you are not showing your emotions. You both are missing, but they are missing you very badly, because see, 9 of Swords is here, 5 of Pentacles, and the Tower. Yeah, there is some communication, maybe some text. One person in this connection will initiate communication. Maybe there is some age difference between both of you. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Virgo. Yeah, they want to offer their cup of love to you. Some cycles are ending between you and your person. They are very attracted to you. Right now, you also undergoing some Tower moment. Let's see your person overall energy for the month, Virgo. King of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to offer stability. They want reconciliation. For some, it could be long distance relationship, the same cycle repeating between you and your person again and again. Yeah, they really want to offer stability to this connection because they are missing you. Maybe they are realizing you both. But to happen all this, it will take so much time. Right now, your person is suffering. First, communication will be open up, then eventually it will happen. In 1 day or 2 days, no. It will take time because a lot of things are going right now. Sorry guys. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Virgo. Past person return. Options. Yes, one person in these connections have options. Mask. Maybe one person is toxic. I can't let you go. And you are pure perfection and finances and career. So the messages are, they feeling that you are pure perfection and past person is done. Options, mask, and they can't let you go. So take what resonate. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Virgo. But they are missing you. They are suffering without you for sure. The answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. So if you need any answers for your questions, definitely the answers are coming. This is the message for you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.